Me? What you think? Oh. Okay, so now this one is to paint your tree. So normally, right, if you do your own placing for the tree, so you'll notice that sometimes your tree is the same size, same rotation, and same, right? Okay, and you also feel like very tired if you are the outdoor environment. So this paint tree is easy for you lah. But here, because of we don't have tree, okay, we'll need to go to the Unity Access Store outside there. Okay, Unity Access Store. So you can search for the tree or the nature packs lah. So then you can have the tree for your nature. Okay, for example, you can use this one simple nature pack, this one hybrid pack, this one low poly environments. Okay, you can choose the free one lah. So you can choose this one, and you take the free one. So now you can have a tree, the free one lah. So in these cases, wow, this one also very nice, right? So you can add to your asset for the free one. Okay, but this one tree not nice lah. You can find another one. Hey, sorry. Okay, so you can search for this one, right? Your terrain, you can search for nature pack. You can search for nature pack for your Unity Access Store. Okay, so you can download this one simple nature pack. This one. So you can search the 价格 here, right? Goes to free one. So now you have the free one lah. Okay. So the free one, you can use this one, Park Natures, Naturistic, Halloween. Okay. The nature pack lah. Low poly nature nature village, right? Oh, this one also very cute. I choose this one. This colorful. Okay. Wow, 这个也是很美。Okay, this one. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. This one. Okay. Okay, whatever lah. You choose few. Okay, I take this one lah. I randomly pick lah. Later got issue then we fix. Okay. So you add to your asset. Okay. So I choose this one. I simply choose only. Okay. So goes to Open Unity. So Open Unity editor. So you can directly open lah. If not directly opens, okay. If yours is cannot, so you goes to Window Package Management. Goes to My Asset. So you will see this lah. Okay. So after this one, you click download the low poly nature pack. So you wait for downloading. After that, you import to your project. You click import. So you import now. Everything's here, right? Okay, you can click the import. Okay, class. Okay, so now done already. You have class. If you have the purpose issue here，诶，怎么突然间 purpose 的？等等一下。我刚才 import 的时候它直接改掉我 setting 了 shit。wait 啊。So sometimes you okay, renderings, project setting, graphics things, right? Okay, so you choose back your starter asset lah. So confirms, so done. Okay, so you'll go back already lah. Okay, so because just now I directly import, right? So if you have a purple issue, you can go to file. Any of you have that issue, it goes to graphics. So go your graphics and you select back your starter asset, URP asset here. So it's back to normal. Okay, so now you have this poly, but sometimes a lot of issue for your poly issue. So you can check your tree here. You see they are all purple color. Okay, once you have the issue because they are not URP, so you can select them. Okay, you goes to sometimes you can use this one, then can already material, then it's not allow you to convert. Some can convert, some cannot. If cannot, then you need to manually do that. If can, so you can directly goes to this one cannot lah. You see, it's not directly lah. Because this one is prefab. Okay, FBX file. Oh, FBX file don't have. Okay, if 3, so you okay, for example, I take these 3, I put it here. Okay, wall. If you have green wall, okay, so like this, normal wall. Can. You see, no issue lah for this one. Okay, so when you drag to it, it's okay one. Okay, so if you manually you place one by one, it's very tiring, correct or not? So we have a terrain here. You have a pen tree here. So you edit your tree, you add the tree here. So for example, you can add your tree here. Okay, and then you click OK here. So now you see this is your brush size, and this is your density. Density highest means that more tree. Density lower, less tree. So for example, with this one is a random height for your tree. So if you have a rush length of the random, so means that the tree height will be very different. And you lock the width and height, it means that your height and width is still, when they do scaling, it will be the same. So it won't be distorted lah. If you don't want, so you still can have a random width and height here, so you can try it out lah. See the result. So once you stamp it, you can see it will like this. So if these cases means that your tree okay, they are in 2, so it will be only have 3 separate. So what we can, 这个 cannot take out prefab already. Okay, never mind. 我看一下我可以怎样改它。prefabs unpack completely. So now unpack completely already. Okay, this is your brown green. 因为它没有 prepare 那个FBX 发给我们，所以我们要自己改的话，这个 OK， so 看这边一个，那也是变 prefab， 也是改不到，不可以改的。分开了的话，这样你 stem 的话就有问题哦。如果我2个一起 stem 呢？ Yeah, 没有给 original file. If they didn't give you original file, we also cannot do anything because this one also prefab, so this one also prefab. So for your terrains, you can see you edit your tree. Edit tree. You cannot like this. If you have this tree. So if you stem also got trunk only, oh. So separately. 1, 2. Okay. So real 3. Okay. 3. Oh, very hard to find the adjustment, right? So in these cases, if we don't have the original one, you cannot use though. If they have the original one, then you can modify. Because if we unpack already, it's also, let me check. Open File Explorer, the prefabs. You see, it's a prefab also. So we couldn't do the changes toward it. It only have trunk, so you cannot have a tool here. Okay, means that you cannot use this one. This example you couldn't use. So we use another one. So when you create your own tree, you need to join them. You need to join them. So we take another examples. Okay, managers, lectures, only. Okay, so you can see I have this one. Import. Okay, import. If the sample give you is FBX, then you can modify. But because of he given you FBX, so we couldn't do modifications lah. So no choice lah. So if this case we check another one, see can or not. So this tree, okay, the flowers and tree. This tree. So goes to terrain, edit and add your tree here. So you add this tree. Okay, so now we start painting. Your mess. Edit, add tree. So you can add the tree. This one also can add into it. Okay, so this one can, but the problem is the graphic is not correct. So we need to modify our tree. For example, we are using tree, this one, okay, and then he have this issue. So we need to change to, okay, we can directly try to use this method faster. This one, right? So we goes to edit, go to rendering, material, cannot convert. So if this one you cannot directly search for convert, so then you need to change yourself one by one. Go to universal and lead here. So this one as well. Go to, okay, so this one universal lead. Okay, so this one is green color, so goes to universals lead. Okay, so this one you choose the brown color. Okay, so this one is what color? Green. Okay, you choose the green colors. Okay. 这是 tree green 啊 ，sorry， 这是 wood 是 brown color, right? And then this one is green. Green means that you green colors. Okay. So now you can try for your tree here. Ấy? Oh, we won't. Okay. This one also green, sorry. So this one also green. 怎么我哪一个 green 等下，我的 tree 这个是青色，哪里一个？这个也要青啊？哦，这个要青。对，我的木棍是哪一个？这个啊？好的。Okay, so now you have your tree already. Okay, you say this one is tree, you are B lah. Okay, so now you drag it as a prefab. Okay, don't repress so we have another tree. 有吗？有在哪里啊？去哪里啊？在哪里？这个okay, so we goes to terrain, we add the tree, so we add this tree, apply, click, so you see, okay already. All class, now okay already. Okay, you can choose the density highest means that more tree. Okay, if you have the lowest means that you less tree. If you don't random too much, you can be random little only. So you can see so the randoms. So now you can see your tree everywhere already You see? Okay, so class, you can see the tree very funny or not? Because I didn't lock the height and width, so I make it random so different. So you can see sometimes your tree is tall, sometimes your tree is bigger, smaller. So make it more variation because my students is like a scientist. All their tree will be same size, same texture, same color, same height, same rotation is like a clone. So I always feel like my student entire forest so weird and only have one type of tree. Okay, my student used to be like scientists because their tree is same. Height same, color same, rotation same, height same, size same, okay, the width same, and then the height also same. So you are not artist, you are not scientist, you are artist. You try to make your tree, it will be different size. So you can see, you will feel comfortable if your tree is very high variation. Okay, so you using this method, you stand, you no need to do yourself, drag yourself, make it different, right? Okay. So you can see, if you don't want the same type of the tree, right? You also can add another tree and then you make your density not so high. Okay, class, this one is he write the tree. This doesn't mean that you only can stand the tree. You can stand the mushroom, you can stand what else? Trunk, okay? Your stone also. Okay, so you can stay in place the environment randomly. Okay? So, okay, you do this tutorial. So after, I think 2 o'clock, I want to see your terrain. Can I? I want to see your terrain. Yeah. 1 hour for your lunch, 1 hour for tutorial. So 1 hour counting your terrain. You can entire group do one. So you can ask him to do the painting for your game, for your game site. If your factory also, right, sometimes you can have an outdoor also. Then inside your factory. Okay? So you do simple. You can put the fence as well. place the fence as well, right? Sao đâu这样做好不好？OK。density 一定是不可以1了咩？一定要10。我还想要Okay, so now this is your environment, You see, you feel very comfortable with that. High variations for your tree, 美嘞，看一下我们的哇 forest，OK。